Have you ever had a situation like this? Imagine a world where enroll your identity is as simple as a single scan. VigoBOX is an all-in-one biometric enrollment kit, which makes a reality, bringing efficiency and security to every identity registration process. In this video, discover how VigoBOX can simplify your operations. Meet Kiko, a citizen registering to vote. Capture and digitize essential documents with scanner, ensuring accuracy and security in every enrollment. Capture high-definition image and generate ICAO standard portrait. The Fast Enroll Binocular Iris extracts ISO standard images. Acquire 10 high-quality fingerprint images in any environment, especially for dry or dirty or worn fingers. Capture digital signatures with ease and accuracy, adding an extra layer of security to your enrollment process. High-speed print high-quality receipt on the spot with our integrated printer, ensuring immediate and reliable results. In minutes, Kiko's data is securely registered and stored. No more complicated processes, no more long waits. Whether it's for national ID registration, voter ID registration, border control, e-passport, driver license, or social welfare, VigoBOX handles it all effortlessly. It's the ultimate solution for today's fast-paced world. Think of the peace of mind that comes with knowing your personal data is protected. VigoBOX is MOSIP compliant, IP67 rated and FBI certified, ensuring the highest standards of security and reliability. Ready to make identity registration easier and more secure? Discover how VigoBOX can revolutionize your organization's processes today. Make it yours.